Imagine a world where money is not controlled by banks or governments, but by people like you and me. Welcome to the world of altcoins. In this digital realm, every transaction, every trade, and every investment is a step towards a decentralized financial future. Unlike the traditional money systems, where the value and control are centralized, altcoins offer a unique alternative. Bitcoin and Ethereum, they've made headlines, haven't they? The pioneers of this revolutionary movement. But they are just the tip of the iceberg. There's a vast ocean of altcoins out there, each with their unique features and potential. From privacy-focused coins to utility tokens that fuel specific ecosystems, the diversity and potential of altcoins is truly astounding. So buckle up, because we're not just stopping at Bitcoin and Ethereum. Dive in with us as we explore the fascinating world of altcoins beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum. Altcoins, short for alternative coins, represent the wide variety of cryptocurrencies available apart from Bitcoin and Ethereum. They are akin to the vast universe of stars beyond our sun, each unique, each with its own attributes and value proposition. Let's set the stage. Picture Bitcoin as the first cryptocurrency, the pioneer, the one that introduced us to the concept of decentralized digital money. Then Ethereum came along, offering not just a cryptocurrency, but a platform for building decentralized applications. These two are the most recognized and widely used cryptocurrencies, but they are not the only players in the game. Enter altcoins. They emerge to enhance, modify, or even radically change the principles set by Bitcoin and Ethereum. Some aim to provide faster transaction times, others focus on privacy, and some even strive to reshape our understanding of how value is created and exchanged in the digital world. The underlying technology of these altcoins is often a type of blockchain, similar to the one that powers Bitcoin and Ethereum. Blockchain technology is like a public ledger, storing all transaction data across a network of computers. It's this technology that allows cryptocurrencies to operate in a decentralized manner, free from central authorities. However, not all altcoins use a blockchain. Some use different types of decentralized technology to achieve their goals. For example, Ripple, an altcoin, uses a distributed consensus ledger using a network of validating servers and crypto tokens. Another altcoin, IOTA, uses a directed acyclic graph technology called Tangle, which is designed to facilitate machine-to-machine transactions for the Internet of Things. Altcoins are not just about providing an alternative to Bitcoin or Ethereum. They are about exploring new possibilities and pushing the envelope of what a cryptocurrency can do. They are about innovation, experimentation, and the democratization of finance. Altcoins, with their diverse applications and uses, are pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible with cryptocurrency. They are the explorers, pioneers, and innovators of the digital currency frontier, and their journey is just beginning. You may wonder, why should I care about altcoins? Well, let's dive into the reasons. First and foremost, altcoins often present the potential for high returns. While Bitcoin and Ethereum have already seen substantial growth since their inception, many altcoins are still in their early stages. This means they could provide significant profits if they become successful. But it's not just about the money. Altcoins also play a crucial role in the decentralization of the cryptocurrency world. With Bitcoin and Ethereum dominating the market, it can seem like there's a centralized hierarchy within this supposedly decentralized system. Altcoins help to balance the scales, offering alternative options for investors and users alike. Further, altcoins foster innovation. Each altcoin comes with its unique selling points, whether it's a new technology, a novel use case, or a different approach to consensus algorithms. These innovations push the entire crypto industry forward and challenge the status quo. It's this spirit of innovation that keeps the crypto space exciting, dynamic, and ever-evolving. Altcoins also offer an opportunity for people to support projects and ideas they believe in. By investing in an altcoin, you're not just buying a piece of digital currency, you're backing the vision behind it. You're contributing to a project that could potentially change how we understand and use money. Altcoins aren't just a financial investment, they're an investment in a decentralized and innovative future. Like any investment, altcoins come with their own set of risks and rewards. One of the most prominent risks is the volatility of altcoins. The value of these digital currencies can fluctuate wildly, even within a single day. This can lead to significant losses if you're not careful. However, volatility isn't all doom and gloom. it's also what makes altcoins so potentially rewarding. The same fluctuations that can lead to losses can also result in astronomical gains. For instance, some altcoins have seen their values skyrocket by thousands of percentage points in just a few months. But it's not enough to simply ride the waves of volatility, hoping for a big payday. Successful investing in altcoins requires thorough research. You need to understand the technology behind the altcoin, the team that's developing it, and its potential in the market. There are plenty of examples of both successful and unsuccessful altcoins. Bitcoin's little brother Litecoin, for instance, has carved out a niche for itself despite being similar to Bitcoin. On the other hand, many altcoins have fizzled out and become virtually worthless, leaving their investors with significant losses. The world of altcoins is not for the faint of heart. It's a world of high risks, high rewards, and constant learning. But for those willing to do the necessary research and take calculated risks, it can be an exhilarating ride. Armed with knowledge and careful research, you can navigate the exciting yet unpredictable world of altcoins. The world of altcoins is vast and ever-evolving. In the short time we've spent together, we've dipped our toes into this expansive universe, discovering that altcoins are more than just Bitcoin and Ethereum's lesser-known siblings. They're potential game changers, digital currencies that are continuously pushing the boundaries of what's possible. We've learned why altcoins matter, how they can offer promising opportunities, but also how they carry their fair share of risks. It's a thrilling, often volatile ride, but one that could lead to significant rewards for those who navigate it wisely. But our journey doesn't end here. This is just the beginning. The world of altcoins is a vast landscape waiting to be explored, and there's so much more to learn. So keep digging deeper, keep asking questions, and keep your eyes peeled for new opportunities. Remember, in the world of altcoins, knowledge is your best investment. Keep learning, stay curious, and who knows, you might just find the next big thing in the crypto universe.